Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you have a hard time finding a sneaker that gives you enough room for your toes? It's very important to me to have a wide toe box in my sneaker and have support and of course flexibility. I would say that my feet are extremely needy. I have a lot of demands. This is a pair of ASICS, and I'm very happy to report that it has an incredibly wide toe box. I'm able to wiggle my toes, there's no scrunching. I have a size 10 shoe. Not only are my feet normally very needy with a lot of demands for comfort, and I recently broke my ankle and my leg. I'm just beginning to walk again. I have to use an ankle brace, but I'm able to fit the ankle brace and my very large swollen foot into this pair of sneakers. There's a ton of support, but also flexibility, which is very important for me. And even though I have varying needs from left foot and right foot, these sneakers have easily adapted to what I need for my feet. These are definitely not a boring pair of sneakers with the red bottom and then the word Berlin on the side. Again, if you are looking for a supportive sneaker that gives you a wide and roomy toe box, I am absolutely recommending this pair even after my surgery with the extra needs of a brace. This was able to widen significantly so that I'm able to fit both my bad foot and my good foot in these sneakers. They adapt, there's plenty of room and support. I'm really happy with this pair of sneakers, and that is my point of view.